Hello everyone, welcome to Cruxweld. In today's video, we are going to look at the complete setup and operation of our circular profile cutting machine, also known as a gas circle cutter. Let's get started. First, let's take a look at the control panel. Here you will find a fuse, a power switch on off, a red indicator light, and a speed adjusting dial ranging from 1 to 10, which allows you to set the rotation speed for your cut. At the top section of the machine, there are brass connectors. This is where the oxygen and fuel gas hoses are securely attached. Now for the adjustments, using this horizontal rod and tightening screw, we can slide the cutting torch forward or backward. This is exactly how we define the radius or the size of the circle we want to cut. By turning the black lever located at the back, we can adjust the vertical height of the machine's main body and the torch. This sets the precise distance between the torch nozzle and the metal plate. We also lock the horizontal arm into place according to our requirements. Once the mechanical setup is complete, we connect the power cable so the machine's internal motor can operate. By slightly opening the gas valves, we use a spark striker or lighter to ignite the cutting torch and properly set the flame. As soon as the machine starts, it automatically begins to rotate in a circle. It automatically begins to rotate in a perfect circle. You can see how smoothly and effortlessly the high heat gas flame slices through the metal plate after completing a full rotation. The solid metal disc in the center separates. With your bare hands, use a pair of pliers to safely grab and remove the perfect circular disc. Now we will create a metal ring. The machine moves along a new path and begins cutting a second circle. In this process, a larger circle is being cut around the outside of the hole we just made. Once the cut is complete, we close the gas valves to turn off the flame. Finally, with a light tap of a hammer, we separate our finished metal ring from the main plate. This Cruxweld machine is an excellent tool for extracting perfectly round shapes from heavy metals with absolute precision. At Cruxweld, we are committed to providing top quality cutting and welding solutions for your industry needs. If you want to know more about this machine or explore our complete range of products, get in touch with us today. If you like this video, for more information you can visit our site www.cruxweld.com. Thank you for watching.